Wanna do is bring you glory and honor. It's all for you, none of me. It's more of you, less of me. All for your kingdom, all for your glory. He must become greater, so I become.
Well, hello, darlings, and welcome back. My name is Darlingranita, and I talk about lifestyle, travel, and fashion. And if this is your first time, welcome. And if not, welcome back, my besties. Now, if you do love fashion, lifestyle, and travel videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will never miss a video. Well, today's video is how I get my Monday through Friday look. That is right. Every day I am not darling, but I do have that natural and simple look that gets me going while I am at work and running everyday errands. So if you want to find out what that look is, make sure you stay tuned. What I do put on my face before I do apply my makeup is my moisturizer, and that is my Lancome product. I do use this faithfully. This is so good. It is a little pricey. It's up that scale, but I promise you that price does do what it's going to do. Now, I can get this at Ultabeauty, or you can go to Dillard's or Macy's. You can order it online, and then I've also found out that eBay, okay, have this product as well, and it is just $69 on eBay. So I will have this listed at the bottom for you. So again, this is the first thing that I do apply on my face before I do my makeup. And then for my under eye, this is another product that I use. I did get this from Ultabeauty. It's the Belief eye cream. This is like $38, but it lasts for so long. So I've already applied my skincare on my face, and so you already know that the first thing that I do is my eyebrows. You've already seen me apply my eyebrows, so I'm gonna speed through this process right here. So I am finished with my eyebrows. A very simple kit that I do use. You can get this from anywhere. I got this, believe it or not, from Dollar Tree. And when I see these, I normally will buy 3 or 4 at a time to keep a good stack with me throughout the year. The next thing that I would do is that I would start with my my under eye concealer. I do use the orange one. That is good to help with the dark circles up under your eyes. I do not go too heavy on it. I go very light because, again, like I said, I'm wearing light makeup, nothing heavy, nothing to be like, oh my gosh, she has makeup. The goal is that I want to look as natural as possible. So if you can see how light this is, it's not nothing heavy. And then I'm gonna follow with my concealer brush and just blend it in softly up under my eyes. All right, so the next thing I would be using would be the Fendi Beauty. This is a new product that I'm using. I love this product. It does help with a lot of oil that you can get on your face throughout the day. I will be using is a powder brush that will help with applying this to my skin. So you saw that how I was applying the powder with the brush. I did not go heavily up under the eyes. I just pat up under the eyes, but I did go around the other portion of my face. Make sure you get your neck, because you do not want your neck to be a different color than what your face is. So the next thing that I would do, I will add my concealer. Now, it depends on the type of season. My skin is changing, and so I have to change concealers. So I do have this. This is one of the products that I love in the summertime when my skin is getting darker. Now I need to go buy some more, but I'm in the process of getting my order together for Ultabeauty. I do put my concealer right between this, my nose, right this way. Then I put some right up here. And I put a streak right here. And I do start with another brush. I call this a concealer brush. This is not a concealer brush. It's like a foundation brush. But this I do love because it does what it's supposed to do. Is blending it into my skin the way that I love it. So you can use any kind of brush that you desire, but this is my fave when I'm putting on concealer. So you see that all I did was like pat, brush, brush down. Next thing I want to use is the bake powder that I use. So I don't use that much. Now I do love to apply my bake powder on a sponge. I only use this amount. It's not that much that I use. I use probably less than that, but I really don't use that much. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply it up under the eyes. Go on my forehead, and then I swoop down the middle of my nose. And then I go here. So basically, I'm just putting the bake powder right where I put my concealer. Very easy. So the next thing that I do, I am going to apply the bronzer for that glow. The bronzer that I use is the Anastasia. This is the light to medium. And what I'm using, this is, I don't know what's the name of this brush, but this is my favorite brush that helps with getting me what I'm looking for. So I normally would do a 3, and show you how I do the 3 is that here, 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 and do it again, 3, the number 3, and I do the same on this side. Okay. Another thing that I do with my bronzer is that I go right into between my noses, and I love using this brush. I do not know the name of this brush. I got this from the beauty supply, and it's so soft to your nose. So I go back in and I just swoop right up onto your eyebrow. And then another thing that I do, I go over my eyelid. So you can do like this if you desire. And that is all that I do. So I am through with the bronzer. So while this is still baking, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my mascara. I don't put the length mascara, none of that. Again, I want that natural look, like I do not have any makeup on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the mascara. That is it. And so what I want to do, I want to go back where the powder, baked powder was off. Don't brush too hard, because the goal is not to get it completely off, but to get the white residue that is still there off your face. I want to add a little glow to my cheeks, and that is the highlight. So I'm not going to use, this is how this palette looks. So I'm going to tackle this one and put it right at my cheeks with the thin fan brush. And then up at my nose. All right, so that is my look. How does it look? Very natural. Does it look cute? Does it look chic? Does it look sexy? What does it look to you? But this is my everyday look. One more thing, now I do not wear lipstick. I use nothing but lip gloss. And this is my everyday look to work and to run errands. So I do hope that you like this video. I hope I was able to show you some steps on how to achieve that natural and smooth look. If you did like this video, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will not miss a video. Do not forget to leave a comment, and do not forget to like, and thank you again for staying to the end. Know and remember that you are beautiful from your head to your toes, and that you are loved. You're loved by me, but most of all, you're loved by God. Until the next video. Bye.